Please go a little slower, guys.
Jenny, this is gonna be on your face.
Uh-oh. Tommy, no.
Mother. Tommy, no. This is hot gelatin.
I'm only saying that for your safety.
The concentration.
Wait, Jenny, where are we supposed to put it?
Open the other fridge,
Jenny.
I can't get over there.
Is this some sort of trick?
Yes. I'm sorry. I didn't get that far ahead.
Sorry, you threw it at all.
Thank you.
No problem. Never thought this through.
Wait. Oh gosh, I just got on my hand.
Michelle,
What?
we're very low. Put your hand in. Wait.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine.
Winner!
No way, we gotta clean this up.
Disaster. It's all.
Yeah.